Welcome to SnapComms, your internal communications solution. With our customizable user groups, it's easy to send messages not just to individual users, but to teams, departments, and more. Just log into the Content Manager, open the Users and Groups section, and click on Groups. Here you'll see any groups you've already created and how many users belong to each one. You can click on a group to see which particular users belong to it. These are the same groups you'll be able to select and target when you create a new message. To add a new group manually, just click Create Group at the bottom. Give your group a name, add a comment if you like, and then click Create. Now click on your new group to open it. Click Add Users at the bottom. Select the individual users who should belong to this group, and click Add Users again to confirm. You can also select one or more users and remove them from your group. And of course, you can come back later and update your list. You can also make other changes. For instance, I'll change the name of this group, and then I'll click Update Details to save. Each time you publish a message, you can select your targets, that is, the people who should receive the message. You can click on the search bar and choose a group from the list, or start typing to narrow down your options and then select a group. You can even select multiple groups. Anyone who belongs to either of these groups will receive this message. Or you can click Use Advanced Targeting for more options. For instance, I'll pick Groups and Users. If I pick a group, I can see the individual users who belong to it. Then I can choose additional users who should also receive this message. I can even exclude someone who belongs to this group but doesn't need to receive this particular message. Please see our knowledge base for help with advanced targeting. Let's go back to the Groups page. By default, you'll only see your active groups, the same groups you can select as your target for a message. If you select a group and click Disable, the group disappears from your list. You can't target that group anymore. But if you uncheck the box, you'll see all of your groups, including the group we just disabled. Select that group and then click Activate. The group is now active and you can start sending them messages again. Please note, if you use Microsoft Active Directory to manage user groups or distribution lists on a Windows server, those local groups will also appear as disabled groups in SnapComms. Just like before, you can select a group and then click Activate. Now you have a brand new user group in SnapComms with the same users who belong to that group on your server. In fact, if you ever make changes on your server to add or remove a user from one of those Active Directory groups, the SnapComms app program on each user's computer will notice the change, and the corresponding user group in SnapComms will be updated automatically. There are also some more advanced options for setting up your groups. For instance, you can send out a registration alert and invite users to opt into a group on their own. Please see our knowledge base for help. Or you can import group information from other software with a simple CSV file. Please contact your SnapComms representative for assistance. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you ever need help, you can click the question mark and contact our support team by email or by live online chat. Click Tutor for instant contextual help, or just go to snapcomms.com and click on the Resources tab to access our knowledge base, check the FAQs, and watch our other videos. SnapComms, get employee attention.